All right, I got another great one today. We're in Mountain Brook. This is the Crestline part, so we're probably a half a mile from Crestline, kind of going back towards this way. We're looking at a 5-bedroom, 3-bath house listed for $1.79. This was just recently built, so it's a 2024 new build. Hit the market in January. Just went through it. Again, it's a beautiful, beautiful house. Let's go take a look at it. All right, walking inside. Got a little office space they have set up right here. Got a bedroom right here, huge bedroom, and this would be the master. They've got it set up as at least a master down here. It's a huge room, all the windows. Beautiful tile, got marble floors. Huge soaker tub. This walk-in closet. Custom built-in shelving already. We've got all the other bedrooms are upstairs through here. Little half bath right here. Your laundry room here. There's also another laundry room upstairs. We'll go to that in a second. Huge living room. Check out this kitchen. Marble countertops, custom cabinetry, all the way to the ceiling. Huge oven, huge range, farmhouse sink, gas fireplace. They've got a huge screened-in porch right here. You can see my truck on the outside. Over the other side would be the yard area. So one of the drawbacks, I guess, with this house is that it's just not a big yard space. But it definitely makes up for it with all the space in the house. So they've got your dining room set up right here. And then one more space here. They've got, I think you could also use this as a dining room as well. They've got it set up, obviously, as just an extra den area, but I think you could potentially use this as your dining room as well. We've got a wet bar, pantry area, again, custom cabinetry. Okay, so you got 2 bedrooms, a bathroom here, another bedroom, and another bedroom.